Gold and silver started the week on a bullish note. We have seen a gap up opening here in the metals. Already gold has moved close to 25.98 and silver has seen 30.70. Now, is this the beginning of a reversal? Can we expect more rise? And if yes, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. This is the only channel to give you two updates with detailed analysis and a clear-cut logical level so that you can take a trade with profit. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment friends. Your every action matters to me a lot. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first. We look into gold followed with silver. Watch. See what is happening here in gold. Look at the formation. This line I have mentioned on my Thursday's analysis that we can look forward to a recovery. After the rise, it has stayed sideways throughout Friday and now it is again given a breakout. Now see, this is the zone which gold needs to break now, which is at 2620 and 2620, 25, 26. So these two levels, 2600 first, 2620 second, if these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a stronger rise which is going to take gold towards 2652-60 zone. Possibility is there. We will be closely watching how it behaves at around these levels. Moving averages have started to converge but not yet crossed over. Also, the second thing to note here is the slight gap which is left here in between 2660, 2560, 2570 zone. So now on the downside, this zone is going to be critical for gold between 2580 and 60, and on the upside 2600, 2620. So this is the box it needs to come out from. If it has to trade bullish, it has to break beyond this, and for bearish reversal it has to trade below 2560. That is the first point. But right now it appears it is on the path of recovery and the chances will be high that we may see it breaking this zone soon. That is the first part. See, the stock I stick at the top, MACD is still rising, looking upwards. But if you notice how the MACD behaves is rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace, but it may remain in the path of recovery. So even if you see it trading bearish till 2560, we should not be treating gold as bearish for the day, for the week. RSI rising. See, also watch my weekly review. That will give you a fair bit of idea what we had expected and how it is behaving. So that is very. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, a very strong base is now formed at 2560. After the rise consolidation, this is the second leg of rise here going on. And if you notice what is the last two candles have delivered, see, if you look at the last two candles, lower highs are seen and you can see bullishness getting diminished. Thus it is very important now for gold to break beyond 2595, 96 and 2600 zone. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a very good rise which is going to take it towards 2606, 2611 and 2620 levels, because beyond this we are looking forward to a greater rise. Now see, on the 2-hour charts, another point to note here is always whenever gold tries to recover, 20-50 period moving average is a very good resistance zone. So if and only if it breaks out this with conviction, we can look forward to a massive recovery, and right now it is almost at the verge of breaking here. Stochastic at top, the MACD is still rising, forming triple bottom. It is looking forward to a recovery. If it continues to recover from the current levels, we are looking forward to a greater rise. RSI also hitting the oversold zone after three attempts for it to stay at the bottom. We have now seen it rising sharp. Coming to 3, now on the 3-hour chart, see similar observation. Every rise follows with a little retrace, and what has happened this time? After getting a bit of resistance from the 20 period, it has breached this threshold, it has breached this resistance zone. Now trading above the 20 period, which means the chances will be high that we may see gold moving towards the 50 period, sitting at around 2606. And if you look at the resistances it is getting here, very strong, and here. So that is why I say we have to be a bit cautious in between 2600, 2620, 25 zone. These levels are going to remain the prime resistance zone, because once it breaks beyond this zone, we will see gold hitting towards 2652, 60 zone. Very strong reversal can be expected here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising here, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying. But also remember, see the candle sizes have peaked, thus it can try to again drop a bit, but as I said, till 2560 for today and for this week, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Only bearishness is gold is if it trades below 2560, then you can say now the bears are back and we can look forward to a correction here. RSI rising here, looking upwards, it has come out of the oversold zone. On the 4-hour charts, when the observation is more or less same, and the important thing is the 20 period moving average, which was a resistance, it has now breached this, and now this is the support zone which it is it needs to break here. So 2582.84 and then 2574.76, these two levels are very critical for the day, and specifically 2560 is anyways going to be the strongest one. I think it is going to be difficult for it to break, because see, it's a gap up opening suggests an inherent bullishness, and this candle also suggests a strong bullish momentum inherent in gold price. So possibly we may see a recovery. Let's see if it breaks beyond 2600, 2026 zone. Stochastic rising, MACD after hitting the bottom, and I have mentioned in my Thursday's analysis, Friday analysis, weekly review as well. See, MACD has hit minus 30, and if you look at when it was extremely bullish, in fact, when it was extremely bullish, we have never seen gold breaking beyond plus 20 zone. It did try to breach or stay above this, but failed to do so. This is last 1 year's data. And now when it is turned bearish, it has hit the lows at minus 30, which calls for a recovery here, and that is what is happening here. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone. Coming to the now, before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart, see what is happening. Diminishing bearishness, that is what we have seen. Friday was a zone of consolidation. Today it has given a gap up here, slight gap is left between 2560-70 zone, and see lower highs. After breaking this zone, it has delivered a stronger rise. Now how far this can rise, I expect that it can try to in fact erase the losses from these two candles, which means 2620, 2625, 26 is possible. Yes, it can deliver a V-shaped recovery. Now see what is happening, you should notice, uh, after every drop it retraces, and that is what is happening. A bigger the drop, the bigger could be the retracement here. How far? The strongest resistance which is going to get is at around 2650-52 and 2660 zone. First, these levels are achievable if not today, some point of time in this week, and these are going to remain the stronger resistance zone. Now also notice the moving averages have started to converge after a long while, after staying in the bullish zone for almost a year. After this crossover, we have never seen such crossover, or we have never seen crossover and a sharp decline here. So possibility is there that the prices may try to retrace for next couple of days till midweek. We can see a little retracement in gold towards the midweek or towards the end of the week. There should be slight bearishness, and then possibly the next week again we can look forward to the momentum continuing here on the downside. See, stochastic here was oversold, trying to recover here, looking up for staying bullish. The MACD, I have mentioned, it is trading with too much of divergence. Diminishing body size suggests that there could be a little chance of recovery. See, drop, retracement is possible. So it is under retracement, not a reversal as of now. RSI has also hit the lows, trying to recover. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Looking at this, first thing is clear. Selling entry today is below 2582 level. That is going to be a very good support level. If it trades below 2582.84, then also 2576.78 is going to be the first and very strong support. Only and only if it trades below this zone at 2576.78, we can look forward to further drop, further decline, taking it till towards 2570, 71, and below this 2565 and 2560 levels. The bearish confirmation in gold today is if you see it trading below 2560. Yes, for the day, it is important for gold to trade below 2560. That is the only level below which we should expect the bearishness to prevail. On the upside, where you should buy. Now this is getting critical because we are looking forward to a rise, and now already it is trading at plus 1%. Already a percent rise is already seen. Now you can buy here at 95.96 zone, 26.595.96. You can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 26. See, ideally 26.0406 zone is the first resistance, and if that is taken, then 26.1012. Beyond this, 26.20 and 26.25.26. So four levels here which gold needs to break. Till 26.25.26 we have got greater resistance. Once it comes out of the zone between 2600 and 26.25.26, we are looking forward to a move towards 26.50, 52, and then 26.60 levels. Possibility is there. Remember, the sharper the drop, the sharper could be the retracement here. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Now, what we have seen in gold, silver is on the verge of it. After this rise, it is trading sideways. Let it stay above 30.80 and then 31.20. If these two levels are taken, the target is towards 31.50, 31.60, and then $32 levels. Yes, do note this fact: rise, sideways movement, a breakout here is going to deliver a very good bullish move. At least 31.50-60 should be there, and then $32 levels should be the next target. Stock ISIC has come to an overbought zone. MACD and RSI both are rising a bit. On the 2-hour charts, now silver is trading above the 20 and 50 period both. And when you see the recent history, you will find this 2050 zone was always a good resistance, and after delivering bearish waves, it is now breaking out. So once it stays above 30.80, first target is going to be towards 31, next 31.2025, and then I will look forward to 31.50, 60, and 32 as the next targets. Possibility is high here. If not today, some point of time in this week, 32 can be expected. Stochastic rising, MACD and RSI both are rising here. Good signs, supportive for further bullishness. Coming to 3, notice the point that silver has also left a gap here at 30.20. So if not today, some point of time later, it is going to bridge the gap. It means it is under retracement and it could continue with this for a while. Rise, consolidation, a breakout here is going to deliver a stronger bullish move. Possibilities are high for 31.50-60. A stochastic, MACD, RSI both are rising. On the 4, similar observation. See, on the 4-hour chart, so far the 20 period was the resistance. Now it is trading above 20 period, and this is a good sign for the bulls. This suggests at least 31 has to be there, 31.20.25 has to be there, 50-60 can be breached, and beyond this we are looking forward to 32. Right now I can say it is trying to come out of this bearish channel, and for this it is very important for it to trade above 30.80 zone, which is going to remain a prime resistance zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising. See, we have seen this, we have discussed this. It has formed a good bottom, 3 to 4 attempts now, and it is looking forward to a recovery here. RSI rising. Coming to the on the daily charts, the important thing is the crossover here in the moving averages. This makes this zone as a critical resistance, and that is why I say till 32. First of all, 32 is achievable, but that is also going to remain a critical resistance zone. Now look at the daily charts. After staying flat here and delivering lower highs, it is now trying to break out, and this is a good sign for the bulls. Now only bearishness is if you see silver breaking below 30-40, 30-20 zone, which is going to remain a very good support. Any drop below 30-40, 30-20 is the only sign of bearishness. Else what we are looking at, we are looking forward to a little recovery, and this is possible that 31-40-50 should be seen, or in fact 31-60 till this is achievable, and beyond that we can look forward to further bullishness, taking it till towards 32 very soon. So looking at this, very simple: buy at 30.80, sell at 30.40. Be careful till 30.20 if you are selling, and if it breaks 30.20, stay short. We are again looking forward to 29.75, 29.50 levels. Chances for such a drop exist almost negligible if I see this chart, as we are looking forward to a little recovery currently. On the upside, buy at 30.80, expect it to move towards 31, 31.05, 31.20.25, then 31.50-60 should appear, and beyond that 32 has to be there, if not today, some point of time in this week. Take your positions accordingly. See you again before the US session. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do press the bell icon for notifications. Join the free Telegram channel as well for notifications. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session.